So here is my custom Adventure Force Mustang. So here's the original that I got at Walmart for $8. It's got the box and everything. Yeah, I got this one at Walmart for $8. And here is my Goodwill find custom that I made. And here's the comparison. This one has an orange symbol, and this one has a silver symbol. I custom painted the speakers. This one didn't have the button logos and things on it, so I custom painted logos. This I tried to paint, but then I repainted over it because it looked bad. Here's a custom painted symbol in the front. I outlined the hood, the doors. Here is the wheels. I painted these with a Sharpie. I fixed the bent axle. There's this. There's, yeah, typically. And here is the bottom of it. I custom painted with a Sharpie the bottom, like all the like pipes and stuff, like the exhaust and everything, and looks pretty cool, but kind of like messy at the same time. You know, $1. Got it from a Goodwill, so and it works too. Oh, no, it actually has low batteries, or it has no batteries in it, but this one works still. And this one works pretty good, but it just doesn't have batteries in it. But I might eventually put batteries in it to show a full demo of what it does with batteries in it. But yeah, that's it. Pretty cool car. Okay, bye.